You are searching for how to buy shares of Fenix Outdoor International AG, an outdoor equipment and apparel group listed on CBOE under the ticker FOIB.ST. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your identity with a document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type FOIB.ST to find the stock. Select the matching Fenix Outdoor International AG listing from the results. On the asset page, check the company overview, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it's Fenix Outdoor. Verify the exchange shows CBOE and the ticker FOIB.ST. Tap, trade, or buy. Choose the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow these steps.